How to adjust date and time in WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can adjust date and time in your WhatsApp. Now, not adjusting your date and time correctly in your WhatsApp can result in an error that says your date and time is inaccurate and you need to adjust it. Now to fix this problem, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your device's setting. And after you're on setting, scroll down till you find general. Tap on general and scroll down. After you scroll down in general, you will see date and time. Tap on it. Now all you need to do here is toggle on this set automatically button and you're good to go. So this will automatically set up your date and time in WhatsApp and your device as well. So this will fix the problem, and that is how you adjust date and time in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and